So this is how MLOps works. SME, which collects the requirement, data engineer, which collect the data from the different sources, and they execute the ETL pipeline jobs. And once the model gets built by the data scientist, the DevOps teams build the pipeline and monitor it. So basically, MLOps is a combination of three disciplines: SME, uh, data engineer, and DevOps, like machine learning, data engineering, and DevOps. I can say that, right? So MLOps is basically different from DevOps because the code is usually static in the latter, but that is not in the case of MLOps. MLOps, the model which keeps training on new data, so a new model version gets generated recurrently. So if it meets the requirement, it can be pushed into the production environment. This is the reason that MLOps need continuous training along with the continuous integration as well as the continuous deployment. So this is very important. But in the case of developer, developer writes the code as per the requirement, then they release it to the production. But in case of machine learning, developer first of all needs to collect the data, clean it, then they write code for the model building, and then they build the ML model, then they finally release it into the production environment. So I thought let's share with you why MLOps is very important for nowadays for the DevOps engineer. Every DevOps engineer should know this.